Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Now, this is a unique one-off video, and the idea of this video is to show off the work of Colin Williams of Baytech restorations. So, as you've probably sussed out by now, that Colin did the recent paintwork on the 106 for me, and even more recent than that, he painted the 205 in a very controversial Nardo grey. Work on the 205 at the minute is ongoing, and is going to plan and going really well, and completely vindicated with the colour change, and yeah, happy with that. Anyway, so the idea of this video is to showcase some of Colin's work, including two of my own cars, and what he can, shows what he can do. He can do full resprays, repair work on cars, and a whole host of other body related works and mechanical work as well. So fairly recently he restored a Mark II Escort RS2000, full, bare shell, stripped down, prep, respray, and assembled it back together. I'm gonna include a series of slideshows in this video to highlight the cars he's done most recently. It is quite wide and varied, from E-Type Jaguars to Mark II Escorts to 205s, Escort Cosworths and Sierra Cosworths, or the Softail Cosworths. So yeah, if you need anything doing, doesn't matter where you are in the UK, Colin is very highly recommended. He's got he's got a vast amount of years of experience behind him, and he knows what he's talking about when you go and see him to show him your cars. He'll tell you exactly what you need. There's no blagging. There's none of that. It's really straight down the middle. He'll tell you what you need, and he'll get the job done. So without further ado, here's a couple of videos of the cars that he's done for me recently. The 106 GTi walk around. We'll show the paintwork he did on the exterior for me, and also the 205. So I'll leave you to have a look at the footage and the slideshows. Well, there we go, another video. Bit different this one, but I thought I'd pay tribute to Colin and the standard of work that he does. Yeah, really happy with both cars that he's done for me. I can't recommend him enough. And yeah, I had a chap here today who's got a really keen eye. He was sold on the Nardo Grey idea from the very start. Was very surprised today at how the colour actually looks in person. It was in the garage initially, and we rolled it out into the daylight. And unfortunately, it's not been that sunny here today. It's been overcast. However, it just looks really good. And now I've got a few more black bits on it. It's yeah, the decision's completely vindicated. And to those that have doubted the colour change and have been very verbal about it, you know, it's this might change their minds. It might not, but I don't care. It's my cars, my rules, and Colin has executed the colour change superbly, really superbly. The paintwork is like glass. It's really shiny. So if you need work done on your classic, vintage, retro, or if it's a bumper repair or anything, or any of the stuff that he does body wise, he also does full car restorations. He also does he works on rally cars. He does rally car preparation. He's got his own Mark II Escort. He's also got a red Mark II Escort that's currently in. I did take footage of it when I was over there. Sadly, as with quite a few of my videos recently on this camera, it became corrupted and pretty much unusable. There were lines and squabbles all across the screen. It was a really good interview with Ben, the guy, the chap who goes there and assembles the cars for customers, etc. So really disappointed about that, but yeah, a huge thumbs up and a thanks to Colin for sorting out the car for me. And I'm looking forward in the new year to driving the car, bringing it round to show you finished. And take it easy, mate. And for YouTube, my regular viewers, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Like this video and click the bell for future uploads. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. See you soon.